LC93.
Foreign cash.
Bossman Benz. We in the building.
Turn up. Ball, all season. Know that. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season. Ball, all season. Know that. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season. Ball, for no reason. Trapping out the bando all season. Ain't worried about the haters. You can keep it. Been on my grind all day. No sleeping. Gotta make sure my girl right for the weekend. Catch me playing with them racks like Venus. My whole team got my back like the defensive end. Can't get no L's cause I was born to win. Kicking too much flavor like Jackie Chan. She want me now cause I'm ballin' like Spalding. The money keep on calling. I'm the trending topic, interest on 30. They just want my pockets. Ball, all season. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season. Ball, all season. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season.
Ball at the mall. Splash. I wanna buy it all. I'm addicted to ballin'. Can't stop ballin'. Ballin' all season. My team winning. I ball like Blake Griffin. I'm on a money mission. The ladies blowing kisses. They blowing up my Instagram. Woo! I ball like Space Jam. Wow.
Ball, all season. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season. Ball, all season. Flex Armstrong, all season. Run it up, my money long, all season. All season, all season.
You're tuned in to Record Breakers here on WSUT with ASATV. You're tuned in.
Jumped in my ride, it's about 100 degrees outside. We gon' party tonight, turn up, get wasted. I don't wanna feel so basic. Let's go places. Hey, you know what'll make my day if you come through tonight for me. I know you like to be free as a bird. I'ma let you fly around tonight. We can't turn down. Together we make the world come alive. Won't shut it down till we see the sunrise. Cause all night long we can't do our thing. Man, I wish a would try to stop me, man. I'm the D-O-U-B-L-E-O. Who's that girl? Tasha Couture. Don't you know we running this, man? If you can't stay up, you can. They not alone, but it ain't no pressure, baby. I don't wanna take you home. I just need a couple minutes with you. I ain't about to switch it up. Never in my life had the handcuff. See, I get it when I want it. Don't beg to get it. She's got a man, but not too committed. Stuck the head in like a brand new fitted. That's what I like. Oral sex in the city. I break you down like an improper fraction. Now turn around, let me see what's happening. You got the body of the year, come and get the prize. Moving that ass slow motion, I'm hypnotized. You know the way I run this, man. If you can't stay up, girl, I can. babysitting, and the damn show ain't no curfew. It's the life I live in, it ain't nothing wrong. Don't need nobody trying to take me out my zone.
I live the nightlife. Nightlife. I live the nightlife.
I don't wanna fall asleep, but my missus late night green.
The beat come out at night. The beat come out at night. Yeah. The beat come out at night. The beat come out at night. Nightlife. I live the nightlife.
I don't wanna fall asleep, I'm trying to get that late night green. We up all night in this thing, drinking all night in this hole. We up all night in this thing, drinking all night in this hole. We up all night in this thing, drinking all night in this hole. We up all night in this thing, drinking all night in this.
I live the nightlife. Nightlife. I live the nightlife.
I don't wanna fall asleep, but my missus late night green.
The beat come out at night.
Say when it come out,
The beat come out at night.
now what it do, girl?
The beat come out at night.
Say when it come out.
The beat come out at night. Nightlife. I live the nightlife.
I ain't tryna fall asleep. I ain't tryna fall asleep.
You're tuned in to Record Breakers here on WSUT with Ed as intended.
And that's another favorite. Burn, baby, burn. Well, this next joint. If you got them, fire them up. But who's still up with me? Who's listening? Who's out there? Where you from? Hit me up. DM me on Instagram at Simply United Radio at Gmail. At Simply United Radio on IG. Hit me up on Ed as Intended Brown on Facebook. And I don't really do Snapchat. Twitter. Not really on. You can hit me on Twitter. That would be cool. My Twitter account name is Classic NYETL. So you can hit me up on those three and ask me questions. If you are listening on the Spreaker website or in the Spreaker podcast app, you can chat with me right now. So chat it up. Let me hear what you got to say. We out here. You know what I mean? This is ATL. And where I'm at. Shout out to my homie. Just moved down here from New York. Bronx, my block. She a classic. So, you can go out, show around. Man, let's see. I'm gonna keep it where I had it, man. The rock, that's what I do. I rock out. But yeah, I want you to hear my boy, Reason. This American Dream joint. This is hard. Out of all the songs he got on this EP, and all of them were hot, this one I chose to put on. Right here on WSUT, Simply United Radio station.
Brother, streets need this word. This word is very powerful. The Lord didn't just throw the word and make us create the word just for nothing. The word has a reason. The Lord has a reason. We need to spread this word for the homeless, for those on the streets.
Had a dream I was president, then I woke up in jail. What's the American dream? If your real life is hell, let me out, let me out, let me out. Let me out of these chains. Let me out of these chains. Let me out, let me out, let me out. Cause I'm ready for change. Mama can't sleep cause the rent's due, and I keep hearing cries from the